Hi there. Today we are working on assignment 5B in audio engineering. You can find this. The directions for this start actually for the first time. They start in section 5, lesson 1 in the mastering and EQ. And you will scroll down to open a file. So the first thing they want us to do is go to open up Audacity, click on Open, and then we're going to go to section 5. Click on EQ1. This should have come in your course resources. Open it up. We get one track this time, and let's go ahead and take a listen to it. In the directions, you now have to scroll through many slides actually to get to the next instructions after you open up the track and listen to it. You can also go up to table of contents and then scroll down to lesson 1, open EQ. So next asks us to click on the effect and then equalization. And we are going to click on graphic EQ. Then we're going to click flat, which doesn't seem to do anything. And so then there's an example in the directions of how to move these sliders. And it says to look at the image and move the sliders in accordance with how the image looks. So since you guys can't see that right now, unless you have your directions open, the first 5 are all kind of equal. And as you can see, as I move these up, the line goes up too. So the first 5 are equal. I'm trying to make these as equal as possible. There we go. They're a little off, but they don't actually move exactly where you put them. There's different levels, I guess. Okay, and let's see, the next 12, sorry, I had to count a second. There's a lot of them in a row, are just beneath that, but again, all at the same level. Okay, there's 12. And let's see, the next 9. Actually, I'm going to leave the next 9 exactly where they are. And then the last 5 are just below that. There we go. And now mine looks like the image and the directions. And it says to go ahead and click the preview button to listen to the sound. Okay. So now the directions to tell you that if you like the way it sounds, to go ahead and click OK. And if you don't, you can move these around the way that you want. However, it's kind of difficult because they don't really tell you what each of these are for and what they do, and so you can just kind of experiment with it. For the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and just click OK, but just keep in mind yours does not have to be like this. you can change it the way that you want. I'm going to listen to it again. Okay, we are then going to save our file. Go to File, Save Project As. We're going to make sure it's in section 5. We're going to change the title to EQ instead of 1. We're going to say Fix. So this is the very first file that you will submit with your final zipped folder.